Don't tell me what I can and can't do. I touch a million, feeling brand new. You could have thought what.
What is good, YouTube? It is your boy back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to sound like heygwapo in the song Real Vamp. Now, Real Vamp is probably like one of my favorite songs off of like whatever he's created. I also like Shine Bright, but out of all of them I had to choose this one. If y'all haven't heard the song, I'll play a snippet in a minute. But yeah, if you want more presets, let me know down in the comments what I should make, and I'll do it, you know. And also, if you really don't like using stock plugins, I do have a Waves and Pro Q preset for the heygwapo. So if y'all really, you know, if y'all really don't want to use stock plugins, let me know in the Discord down in the link. And the preset for this for this video will be in a Discord server, and actually it's mine. And I will, you know, yeah, I'll be in the Discord down below. We have song words and everything. We're gonna have a blast in there, but without further ado, let me just quit yapping and get straight into the preset.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do. I touch a million, feeling brand new. You could have thought, but that's what she ran through. Like, where's your bag, nigga? Yeah, I'm going fast, nigga.
So now, as you can see, I have opened the mixer. This bundle does come with 1, 2, 3, 4 tracks, 4 presets. So we have the main, which is like obviously the main. Then we have the ad libs, okay, and then we have the telephone ad libs, which he uses in the middle of it. And then we have the angelic ad libs, which is just like, you know, background noises and shit. But here are the presets. I'm going to turn them off, all of them, and I'm going to show you my raw vocals. So here we go.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do. I touch a million, feeling brand new. You could have thought what you ran through. Like, where's your bag, nigga? Yeah, I'm going fast, nigga. These niggas be broke as hell, yeah. They don't really got no swag with them.
Yeah, so that is what it sounds like with the preset off. But I turned these on, and this is what it sounds like.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do. I touch a million, feeling brand new. You could have thought what you ran through. Like, where's your bag, nigga? Yeah, I'm going fast, nigga. These niggas be broke as hell, yeah. They don't really got no swag with them. I roll up a black beans, Real Vamp. I'm sipping on blood, bitch. They be broke hoes, they got fucked with. Put them in a chokehold, do some tough shit, sipping red. I'm sipping on blood, bitch. Yeah, I woke up, got geeked up, she been ran. I don't need her, she don't ran, I don't need her. In a hurry, my feet up.
This is what it sounds like with the preset on. Then we go over here and we turn on the ad libs. This is what the ad libs sound like by themselves. So I'm about to play it. Yeah, so they kind of like give that telephone reverb type of vibe, you know. And then we have the telephone ad libs, which are used in this part of the song. And I turn these on.
In a hurry, my feet up.
And then it's used here in the song, and then obviously at the end when he goes like shit and all that. So here it is. Yep. And so then we have the angelic ones. I only used it once because that's all I could hear, but it's also used in the end, but I didn't feel like, you know, having to do that because I have to do an automation clip. And if y'all want an automation clip video, let me know in the comments if y'all do, so I could teach y'all how to actually use them, because I also struggled in learning how to use automation clips. But here is the angelic one. Obviously, yeah, you can hear that. Ooh, yeah, it sounds. And so if y'all, yeah, so that is the song, and this is the preset. And then once again, I will have the preset down in the Discord below. And if y'all want this theme, if y'all like the purple theme, you can ask me for that too. I'll probably give it to you, but if y'all ask for it. But anyways, this is your boy Nerva, and yeah, enjoy this preset.
For my weed, it ain't alright. Baby, you can take a different flight. Baby, you can dig another side. Buy so many pills, I might just die.